Hello.
Let's go.
Yay!
Oh, thank you so much.
Yay!
Mom, look at me.
Good things are yet to come.
Mama.
Hey!
Mama, look at this. Let's go.
Oh, wow. Help me!
Mama. Mama, help me. Oh no.
My child, where are you?
Mom, save me. This place is scary.
Oh no! The little girl was swallowed by the slide.
My love, where are you?
There was a cannibal slide in the park. The little girl slid down it and disappeared right after.
Please save my child.
I saw that slide myself. That swallowed the little girl.
It's okay, I'm safe here.
Oh no!
You can't find it.
I saw it with my own eyes.
No, no, no. There is no way that can happen. Help me!
It was the monster that swallowed the little girl.
It's okay. Your teammates will be here soon. We have to save them as soon as possible. The plan is to tie a rope around them, then enter the monster's body and bring them up. I reached the two of them. They were safe. Okay, I will take you two up.
Thank you.
Oh no!
Thank you very much.
Wait and see.